Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Before we start, we want to say our gratitude to Miss Norfadillah for spending your time on hearing our presentation. So we are a group of global strategic management students, which we're going to be presenting the company that we interviewed. That is BH Network Sendirian Berhad. That is a software supplier company in the IT industry. So our group mate, which is me, Izzat Muzaffar, Wan Muhammad Naufal Lubis, and Farhan Azmi. Next slide. So the first will be introduction. You can go now, Wan Muhammad Naufal.
So hi, Madam. So I'll be presenting about the introductions. So for the company that we choose is BH Network, Innovating IT Solutions. Founded in 2019 by CEO Encik Misno bin Bujang and General Manager Encik Sazali bin Bujang. BH Network has emerged as a key player in Malaysia's information technology industry. Our mission is to provide cutting-edge product and software, empowering individuals and business to enhance their digital experience. Initially catering to the technology needs of corporations, universities, and schools. BH Network pivoted during the 2020 Movement Control Order, focusing on essential product for diverse company operations. As a direct distributor, our sales surged during the MCO, capitalizing on the shift towards online shopping. In 2021, BH Network strategically engaged in government bidding tenders, securing a stable income source and recognition as a reliable supplier for public projects, acknowledged in 2022 as a top choice for information technology. BH Network continues to thrive with a primary income from government projects and as a direct distributor. Stay tuned for the BH Network innovative strategies that will drive future growth. Next slide, please. So the next point is for the vision and mission for the BH Network. For the missions, to transcend conventional boundaries in the information technology industry, committed to delivering top-notch IT solutions that reflect quality, affordability, and contribute to the seamless functioning of businesses. Leveraging technological advancement, BH Network specializes in providing essential IT service for corporations, universities, and schools. For the vision for the BH Network company, to emerge as a pioneering force in the Malaysian information technology sector, BH Network envisions a future where cutting-edge solutions redefine the technological landscape. BH Network aspires to empower businesses and individuals through the innovative IT service, fostering a digitally connected and progressive society. For the nature of business, for the establishment of the BH Network, founded in 2019 by Mesno bin Bujang and the CEO Sazali bin Bujang as a general manager. For the IT sector focus, BH Network dynamic force in Malaysia information technology sector. Product distribution is commits to distributing cutting-edge IT products and software for the empowerment, empowers individuals and businesses in navigating the digital landscape. For the adaptability, BH Network originally served corporations, university and schools, swiftly adapted to the during 2020 Movement Control Order. Diversifications is diversified product distribution to meet various operational needs. Primary income streams thrive as a key supplier through direct distribution channels, actively participates in lucrative government projects. For the recognitions, BH Network recognized as a premier IT brand in 2022. For the innovation focus, it anticipates continuous innovations and BH Network aims to introduce unique ideas for sustained growth and distinctions in the information technology realm. Next slide. For the unit compositions of the BH network, BH network has provided leadership, its visionary leadership from the CEO and General Manager charts strategic directions. For the product department, meticulous team spearhead creations and delivery of cutting-edge technology products. It upholds of a BH network reputation for excellence. Sales and marketing. Dynamic sales and marketing teams navigate market trends with creative strategies, effectively positions BH network in the competitive landscape. For the administrations department serve as the backbone, orchestrating internal process with efficiency. For the next is collaborative atmosphere. Organized framework allows teams to concentrate on core responsibility, foster a collaborative and result-driven work atmosphere. For the dedication to excellence of BH network is unwavering dedications to perfections and meticulous attention to detail, underscore commitment to industry prominence. For the positioning for growth, BH network harmoniously interplay of department ensure current success. Position BH network for continued prominence and growth in the evolving tech landscape. For the next point is the employee overview of BH network. For the first is director, key position with strategic vision, leadership, and decisive decision making. Drive the organization toward its goals by ensuring cohesive organizational strategy. Sales and marketing team utilize creativity and strategic thinking in the dynamic field of information technology. And advanced product and service builds clients and supports company growth. For the manufacturing department, benefit from experienced individuals committed to realizing ideas. Oversees the complete production process, maintaining standard for effectiveness, quality, and on-time delivery. For the administrative staff, backbone of the BH network, managing daily operation and providing critical support, plays a vital role in maintaining an efficient and well-run company by handling scheduling, communication, logistics, and simplifying procedures. Next slide, please. For the organizational charts of the BH network, for the CEO, lead by Encik Mesno Bembujang, and for the manager, his partner. And as you can see, for the strategical organizational chart, BH network. Thank you. Next slide. So, for the next point is the SWOT analysis. For the strength of BH network, effective leadership. BH network benefits from strong leadership provided by CEO Mesno Bembujang and GM Sazali Bembujang, ensuring strategic guidance and sound decision making. For the weaknesses is limited brand recognitions. Despite its reputation for quality software, BH network may encounter challenge in achieving widespread brand recognitions compared to more established competitors. Dependency on government project. Heavy reliance on government project as a primary income source poses a risk as a change in government spending. For the next is opportunities. Adoptions of technological innovations. BH network embracing emerging technologies and trends in the IT sector, position BH network as an innovator and attracting tech-savvy clients. Next is strategic collaborations, collaborating with other IT firms and forming strategic partnership open new avenues for growth and development. For the threats of BH network is competitive industries. The IT sector is highly competitive and BH network may face challenge from both well-established competitors and emerging entrants. For the next is economic instability. Economic uncertainties or downturns may impact IT spending by corporations, potentially affecting BH network sales. Next slide, please. I'll be presenting about the 5 force microportal of BH Network. For the first microportals is rivalry among existing competitors. For the situation, the high level of competition puts pressure on BH Network to differentiate itself through innovative solutions, quality service, delivery, and competitive pricings. Explanation for the rivalry among existing competitors is intense rivalry among competitors can lead to price wars, reduced profit margins, and challenge in differentiating BH Network's offering. However, it can also drive innovation and improve service quality as companies strive to outperform their rivals. Second is threat of potential entry. Situations is BH Network needs to continuously innovate and build strong customer relationships to determine their potential new entrants and maintain its market positions. For the explanations, the threat of new entrants can increase competitions and potentially erode the BH Network market share. However, it also serves as a motivator for BH Network to continuously innovate and improve its service to maintain a competitive edge. Next slide. For the third of 5 forces microportal is bargaining power of supplies. Situation is BH Network relies on supplier for various resources including hardware components, software, and IT infrastructure. For the explanation, if suppliers have significant bargaining power, it can negatively impact BH Network profitability and pricing. However, having multiple suppliers and option can provide flexibility and potential cost saving, which can be positive for BH Network. Fourth is bargaining power of buyers. For the situation of BH Network needs to provide competitive pricing, superior service quality, and customized solutions to meet buyer demands and maintain customer loyalty. For the explanations, the high bargaining power of buyer can put pressure on BH Network to lower price and provide additional value added service. However, meeting buyer demands and building strong customer relationship can lead to positive outcome, including customer loyalty and repeat business. Next slide. For the last 5 forces microportal is threat of substitutes. For the situation is BH Network must demonstrate its unique value proposition, expertise, and ability to deliver tailored solutions to differentiate itself from substitutes and retain its customer base. For the explanations, the presence of substitutes can pose a risk to BH Network's market share. However, by offering unique value propositions and tailored solutions, BH Network can mitigate the threat and gain a competitive advantage. Alright, thank you. That's all from me.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, madam. Now with me Izzat Muzaffar. So I will be presenting about the 3.0, which is the past analysis. So the first factor, which is the political factor. So Malaysia is a monarch with parliamentary democracy, and BH Network is based in Malaysia. So understanding this political framework is critical for strategic planning at the organization, such as political stability issue. Malaysia has seen administration transition resulting in political instability. This development must regularly monitored by BH Network since they may have an influence on business operations. The organization should be adaptive and develop plans that correspond with the new policies implemented by various governments. As for the legal and regulatory framework, BH Network must adhere to Malaysia's legal and regulatory framework, which governs taxation, employment, industry-specific legislation, and corporate registration. It is critical for the company to stay current on these laws, these orders to operate legally and prevent potential legal complications. Next slide, please. Now we move on to the economic factor, which is consumer expenditure. Economic conditions have a significant impact on the consumer spending. Consumer may have less discretionary or budget income during economic downturns. which may decrease demand for hardware supplies. To predict changes in client purchasing power, BH Network should be aware of the economic movements. In the adaptation tactics, based on economic condition, BH Network can modify its marketing and pricing tactics to prevent or drive demand during economic downturn. The company may consider giving cost-efficient packages, discounts, or promotions. And moving on to the rates of inflation, inflation pressures can have an impact on production costs, pricing tactics, and overall business operations. To sustain profitability, BH Network should take in possible cost increase due to inflation while determining product prices. Next, please. So moving on to the social factors, understanding local cultures, BH Network should be aware of and adapt to current cultural trends in Malaysia, particularly in the hardware and technology industries. Cultural taste might have an impact on demand for specific types of hardware and technology solution, products customization. By staying informed by cultural development, BH Network is able to tailor its product offering to users' preferences. For example, if there is a growing demand for environmentally friendly solution, the company may consider extending its line of environmentally sustainable hardware goods. For target market analysis, by examining growth demographics such as type of business, criteria of service needed, and budget is critical for BH Network to understand the preference of its target market. Different age group or demographics may have different hardware supply demands and preferences. The company marketing and product development strategy can be tailored accordingly. Next, please. So moving on to the technological factors, there is 4 points, which is e-commerce and online presence. BH Network should assess the impact of technology on the hardware supply sector, particularly in terms of e-commerce trends. A solid online presence is critical for accessing a larger consumer base and marketing transactions simple and offering a consistent customer experience. As for the digital marketing methods, BH Network online exposure can be improved by implementing efficient digital markets such as search engine optimization, SEO, and advertising. For the automation and production methodologies, technology adoption is important because BH Network should investigate how technology is applied to manufacturing and product operation in hardware business. As for technology investment, BH Network may consider investing in cutting-edge technology that streamline product process, adopting robotics, artificial intelligence, or other automation methods to improve the speed and quality of hardware manufacturing. Next, please. So moving on to the problem identification. Customers' demands for discount. So this leads to pricing pressure. BH Network is grappling with the increased trends of customers consistently seeking for discount on hardware supplies. This pricing pressure poses a challenge to the company's ability to maintain healthy profit margin and sustain its financial viability. For example, like on our previous interview with Mr. Lokman and Mr. Sazali Bujang, they did share with us that the customers did the request for the discount, which is on the hotel project, which is they are demanded to supply the CCTVs for the hotel. So here their customers are demanding for price on the lower specs of CCTVs, but requesting the best service from them. And from that, it leads to impact on service. Not only are customers seeking discount on hardware product, but they are also extending this demand to the service provided by BH Network. This dual pressure on pricing is affecting the company's ability to provide high quality service while remaining competitive in the market. So that is all for my part. Thank you so much.
Okay, hi. My part is solution. The first solution is market analysis. The first point is market research. Market research is a critical component of market analysis that involves gathering relevant data and insight about the target market, customer needs, competitors and industry trends. BH Network should invest in various research methods to acquire comprehensive, including survey design and uh, interview, data analysis, and online research. For customer segmentation, segmentation involves dividing the target market into distinct groups based on shared characteristics such as demographics, psychographics, and behavior. By segmenting the customer base, BH Network can create more focused and personalized marketing strategies. The key step in customer segmentation include demographic segmentation, which is categorized customized based on demographic factors such as age, gender, location, income level, and occupation. Second one is psychographic segmentation, which is analyze customer interests, value, attitudes, and lifestyle to understand their motivation and preference. The third one is behavior segmentation. It's consider customer purchasing behavior, brand loyalty, usage patterns, and engagement with technology to identify different customer segment. The second one is experience, which is to further strengthen its position in the market. BH Network should focus on enhancing the customer experience, which is providing exceptional customer service and accurate customer satisfaction can lead to increased customer loyalty and positive word of mouth. As we know, uh, there is two point, which is streamline communication. BH Network should prioritize efficient communication channels to ensure prompt and effective customer support. Implement the following communication channel, which is dedicated customer support team. Establish a dedicated team to handle customer inquiries, complaints, and requests. The second one is email support, which is offer email support as a convenient way for customer to reach out with queries of or concern. The second point is personalization. BH Network should strive to personalize its product and services, which services to the customer. The first point is personalized recommendation, which is utilize customer data and purchase history to offer tailored product themselves. The second one is customized solution, provide flexible option for customers to customize product or services according to the specific requirements. This it can involve offering different configuration, add-on, or customized features. This last one is target market campaign, which is the segment the customer base and create targeting market campaign that address the unique and preference of each segment. This ensure that customer receive relevant and personalized messaging. The third the third point, which is strategic solution, is strategic marketing. Developing a robust strategy is crucial for BH Network to effectively promote its product and reach its target audience. Here are some strategic marketing approaches, which is the first one is brand building. Brand building is a fundamental aspect of strategy marketing. BH Network should invest in building a strong brand identity that resonates with its target audience. In the sub point, which is consistent branding, developing a consistent brand image across all touch points, including the logo, tagline, colors, and visual element. The second point, which is compelling messaging. Craft a compelling brand message that communicate BH Network unique value proposition and differentiate it from competitors. The second point is online presence. An effective online presence is crucial for reaching and engaging with a wider audience. BH Network should consider the following strategy to enhance its online presence, which is user-friendly website. Develop a user-friendly and informative website that showcase BH Network product, services, and expertise. The second one is active social media presence. Nowadays, we need to every company need to maintain active profile on relevant social media platform where BH Network target audience is present. Regularly share engaging content, report to respond to customer inquiries. And the next is conclusion. In terms of the industry analysis using Michael Porter's five forces, which is network intense rivalry among competitors in the local industry, established company offering a wide range of IT services directly compete with BH network offerings. The competition can lead to price wars and reduce profit margin, but also drive innovation and improvement in service quality. In conclusion, BH network has established itself as a dynamic player in the Malaysian IT sector. It has capable on market opportunity, diversify its product distribution strategy, and achieve recognition for its quality for software. However, the company needs to address challenge such as brand recognition, dependency on government project, and the competitive landscape. By embracing innovation, expanding its offering, and adapting to market trends, BH Network can continue to grow and maintain its positive as a prominent player in the evolving technology industry. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam. Bye bye.
Thank you, Miss.